Hello, good morning students. Today we will study class 9 maths NCERT chapter 2 polynomials. So first of all we have to introduce what is polynomial. You know, polynomial means an algebraic expression is called polynomial. Algebraic expression is called, the word algebraic expression. Already we have studied in class 8 what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means an expression having constant and variable, means an expression having the combination of constant and variable with 4 fundamental operations plus, minus, multiplication and division. That is called algebraic expression. So polynomial is an algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression. So we have to understand there are some types of polynomials also according to degree. According to degree and according to terms. According to degree and according to terms. So according to terms, there are monomial, binomial, trinomial, and more than 3 terms, and polynomial. Monomial, an expression having one term, that is called monomial. An expression having 2 terms, that is called binomial. An expression having 3 terms, that is called trinomial. An expression having more than 3 terms, that is called polynomial. So after that, that is polynomial. Means all the algebraic expressions are, if it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomial. So one question is there: is 45 a polynomial? Yes, 45 is also a polynomial. That is called constant polynomial, because there is no variable. Already I told, polynomial means algebraic expression with the combination of constant and variable. So there is no any variable. So this is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Now, degree of the polynomial. According to degree, what type of polynomials are there? Polynomial based on degree. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, third, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, And next, if the polynomial has the degree 5, then what we will say? That is called polynomial with degree 5. We will read like that. The polynomial with degree 5. Linear polynomial 2x, you can see the degree of this polynomial is, power of this polynomial is 1 here, power is 1, so that is called, that's why it is called linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, degree of this polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 3. You can see degree of this polynomial is 2. So that's why this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, if the degree of the polynomial is 3, that is called cubic polynomial. X cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 3. So you can see this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 3. That's why this type of polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 4. You can see the degree is 4. That's why this is called biquadratic polynomial. Bi means 2. Quadratic means the polynomial having degree 2. So how many times 2 comes? 2 times. 2 to the 4. That's why it is called biquadratic. Polynomial with degree 5. Polynomial with degree 5, x raised to power 5 plus 4x square plus 3. You can see this polynomial degree is 5. That's why this type of polynomial is called polynomial with degree 5. So like that we will say polynomial with degree 6, polynomial with degree 7, like that. Now how can you identify the given expression is a polynomial or not? For that, you have to understand one more definition of this word polynomial, and that is polynomial. An expression is called a polynomial which has non-integral and non-negative power. Non-integral and non-negative. Non-integral and non-negative. Non-negative is, non-integral is, that is called without, means no fraction. No fraction. And non-negative is, you can understand, positive. Means if an expression has, suppose 3x minus 3x raised to power minus 3 plus 4x plus 5, you can see this expression, this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is minus 3, power is negative, so this is not a polynomial. Means there the power should not be negative, it should be non-negative, means power should be positive. Another 4x raised to power 3 by 4 plus 5x plus 7. You can see here the degree is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 means it is a fraction. So if the degree is fraction, means that should be non-integral, means no fraction. If the degree is fraction, it means this type of expression is not a polynomial. So you understood how can you identify the polynomials? So we will see some more examples. Okay, let's see. Identify polynomials from the following expressions. So I have written here 8 expressions. So we have to identify means which of the following are polynomial. You can see first one. This expression is 4x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 4. So you can see degree, power, all the degrees are, all the power, all the exponents are positive. Here one, this is positive. Means this is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. This expression four x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. So we need to multiply this. We have to find product first. So what will be 4x 2x plus 5 plus 3 2x plus 5. Then what will be 4 to the 8x square plus 5 for the 20x plus 6x plus 15. Then what will be 8x square plus 26x plus 15. So power is 2 and here 1 positive. So this is also a polynomial. It's a polynomial. Now number 3, this is constant and this is variable. So here this x is under root. Square root, this is square root means 4x raised to power 1 by 2 plus 3. So power is integral means fraction. Power is fraction, that's why this is not a polynomial. You can write it's not a polynomial. Here 8x raised to power 3 by 4, 5x square plus 3. Obviously this is integral, power is fraction. So if the power is fraction, so this is also not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. 4x cube plus 3x square plus under root x. Under root x means this under root x means x raised to power 1 by 2. So power is integral is fraction. So that's why this is also not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. Here x square plus under root 3. So this under root 3 means 3 raised to power 1 by 2 means x square plus 3 raised to power 1 by 2. So power is not in variable. This power is given in constant. So power should not be in variable. Power should be positive and it should be in non-integral in the variable only. If the power is positive in the variable and non-integral, then it will be a polynomial. So this is also a polynomial. It's a polynomial. Here y 3 under root y plus y under root 2. So power is this square root is given under means on y. So what will be 3y raised to power 1 by 2. So power is integral. That's why, and this power is integral in variable y under root 2. So power is integral means fraction in variable. That's why this is it's not a polynomial. Polynomial. Here downside one 4 upon x raised 4 upon x. So this can be written as 4x square plus 3x plus 4x raised to power minus 1. So here you can see the power is negative. That's why this is not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. So my dear student, I think you understood. Means how can you identify means polynomial, which are polynomial, which are not polynomial. Next I will show how can you find degree of the polynomial. So let's see. Okay, let's see how can we identify degree of the polynomial. Means how can you find degree. So degree of the polynomial is highest degree you have to see. Here power is 1, in this term power is 1, here power is 0, in this term power is 1, in this term power is 2, in this term power is 3. So highest power is 3 means highest power we have to find highest power or exponent or power, highest power or highest exponent. So highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Here 0, here 1, here you can see two variables are there in this term. In this term there are two variables x and y. On x there is 3 and y there is 1. So 3 and 1. Total the sum is 4. And here the power is 4. So what will be degree of this polynomial? Degree will be 4 because highest degree is 4. Here 0, here 2, here 3 and here 23. Obviously the degree of this polynomial will be 23. Here power is 0, here power is 0, here 3, here 4 and 4 because in this term two variables are there. 4, 4, 8 and here 7. So highest exponent is 8. So what will be degree of this polynomial? 8. Here 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, here 3, 4 and here 5. So obviously the highest degree is 5, highest power is 5. So degree of this polynomial is 5. One more example. 4. This is constant polynomial. I told you this is constant polynomial. What will be degree of this polynomial? You know that nothing is there. Means this can be written as 4x raised to power 0. We can write like this because after all its value will be 4x raised to power 0 means 1. So 4 into 1, 4. You can see. So this can be written in this form. So what will be degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial will be 0. So if any constant polynomial is there, then its degree will be 0. So I think you understood. So you will see the chapter and you will read all the introduction part and all the basic things, and we will see some examples. We will solve some questions in next class. Okay, thank you.